So today we'd like to introduce our viewers to the revenue sharing process in which our chiefs and councils are discussing and will sign in 2016. Is this part of the Mi'gmawei Mawiomi's commitment to claim our future and strengthen our citizens to prosper and become leaders in Gespe'gewa'gi?
So yes, claiming our future. It is one of the chapters that's in Nm'tginen, and it does provide us direction about what we should be doing. So the revenue that's coming in, it's really meant to build the capacity in our communities, build areas of governance and just different programs and services that we have. And if we're thinking about having our own government in the future, we need to build a capacity under governance and just developing that constitution. So it's really capacity building. It's good direction that we've got from the elders and a lot of other people, and creating revenues to do these kind of things, that's the objective.